Tired of sales orders disappearing into the abyss? Let's tame the chaos and get your Peachtree sales order process running like a well-oiled machine in just 90 seconds. First, fire up Peachtree, now known as Sage 50 on the left-hand navigation. Locate and click on the sales orders icon. This will open the sales orders screen. See that new button? That's our starting point. Click it to create a fresh sales order. Now, select your customer from the drop-down menu. If it's a new customer, click the Add New button to enter their information like name, address, and contact details. Time to add what they are ordering in the item ID field. Enter the code for the product or service. Peachtree should auto-populate the description and price. If not, you can manually enter these details, adjust the quantity as needed. You can easily adjust the price if you need to offer a discount. Simply overwrite the default price in the price column. You can also add discounts as a percentage or a fixed amount. Verify the ship to address to ensure the order goes to the right place. If it's different from the billing address, modify it here. Review the total amount, including any taxes and shipping costs. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to record the sales order. Peachtree provides reports to track your sales orders. Use them to monitor order fulfillment, identify backorders, and analyze sales trends, boosting your customer satisfaction.